Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? It's been quite some time. I've done a review video, about a product. It's not a review video, but it's been a big question is what is that most important strategy of affiliate marketing? When it comes to affiliate marketing, everybody start affiliate marketing, but they die very soon. The main reason, you know why? It's all because of that basic thing what they make mistake. That is the most important thing. If you're going to promote a product or anything you want to do, you want to do a lot of research, and that's where keyword research starts with. It's all about how, because you can't be going and targeting a loose diet, a diet loss, 2 week diet loss. It's very hard for a newbie or for a beginner to go and compete in that small keyword. Okay, this is where people fail. The real secret of the top marketers, or the real strategy, is which they say keyword research, but they don't really tell that what tools it's really behind them. And today I want to reveal you the most important tool, which is really the top 3 are something which I use as well in my everyday affiliate marketing. And I also wanted to give you, if you can wait till end of the video, I'm going to show you one of the secret tool which many affiliate marketers use as well, which is there for one-time price. So it's like, if you can wait till the end of the video, I'm going to show you 3 of the total tools which is regularly used, as well as how you can get it, one of the tools for a one-time price. Okay, if you're looking for, this could be the way. It will help you to push your affiliate marketing strategy to the next level. The more time you spend on the keyword research will make a big difference, guys. Always remember that. Don't ever skip this stage. Don't just take 5-6 keywords and then just go keep doing it. Try to analyze if that's going to help you a lot. Okay, these tools which I'm going to show you is what many of the marketers use, and one of the tools which is not very much famous, but it's not really revealed to many people, but many top marketers use as well. Okay, let's jump onto the video. Okay, so if this is your first time watching, this is my channel, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I do such videos. It's mostly all about make money online videos. You can see this, all of them are all about 95% of the time. I have tested it some way or the during my starting of the journey or to the now. I have tested almost 80-90%. I have tested almost. Some of them might not be, but I learned from my mentors, which they suggest. Then I do a video on it. So this is what it is. If you're first time, make sure you subscribe so you'll hit that bell icon so you'll be notified. Anyway, let's jump on to the topmost. I would say, if it is keyword research, the first and foremost tool. If you really want your affiliate marketing to the next level, then no doubt this is the tool. Don't even ask me any other tool. Rather than me starting from the 3rd place, I started straight away to the 1st place. Reason is, many people don't even tell me. Even my mentor, even the people who are following, they don't even reveal. It took so long for them to tell me that this is the tool which they were using. But they were suggesting me other tools as well. But of course they do use. But the reason why they don't suggest this one is, as a beginner, it is very hard to pay $99 per month. It's recurring. You have to pay every month. That's the most important reason I found out that they don't recommend. And still today, it is very hard for many people. I know that you can't afford this when you in your early stage. Okay, this is where it takes, price wise, it is going to be tough. But if you really can afford it, this is the #1 tool, guys. There's no doubt about it. If you have this one, you're good with everything. I'm telling you, don't even think of any other tools. Of course, SEMrush is my other one. But anyway, so this is the tool if you really have money and you're looking for it. I don't want to go into review of each and every tool. And no need to even tell a word about Ahref. It's the utmost tool you might want to have. Even if not now, down the line, after 1 year, 2 year, once you start getting money, think this is the tool which is going to help you, not just for keyword. It's going to help you analyze the backlinks, analyze DAP, everything. even the competitors' keywords, everything can be analyzed with this tool. So this is the most important tool. So I straight away given you the first one. That's it. No questions asked. This is the tool. You might have to keep it on your, like a bucket list, or say what they call your target list. You will want to have this as an asset. This will make, this is what will make you a big difference between you and all other marketers, guys. I mean, the reason is all new marketers who are coming into the field. Okay, so this is the one. Second one, this is the first paid one, but it is a recurring one. Okay, 99. It's not a one-time fee, it's a recurring one. Second free one is this, my favorite one as well, and this is a favorite of many people's one, which is the free Google Ads keyword planner. Google's keyword planner. Just go, if you have Google account, you can access this one. If you just go Google search, you will be able to find this. This is I would say, like, whether you have paid or free, you do always have a look into this Google. Reason is, the most important search engine in the world, like the topmost search engine in the world is Google. So you don't want to miss this one. Although it is free, don't think it is like you don't want. Okay, this will give you the biggest analytics like of what really Google is looking at. Okay, that's the engine you always used, right? So make sure this is the second one. But even if you have paid one or not paid one, make sure you use this one. Okay, at any part of your keyword research, make sure you use this keyword planner. This is going to help you a lot. No, that's the most important thing. Okay, the third one, which I told you, which is like not revealed by many, but many top marketers use. Okay, so here we go. My mentor use. Okay, I don't know many people. My mentors, what I learned from, they use, and I'm going to reveal to you that one. Okay, here we go. This is the one which is Keyword Atlas. You can see this Keyword Atlas. Why do I recommend this? It's like, of course, my mentor recommended it. It is. You will get, like, as you can see at the top line now, rather than me explaining, rather than just one search engine, you're going to get see this, thousands of top ranked, highly researched keywords from 21 top online websites. When I say it's not just Google, it's like Yahoo, it's like Bing, it's so much out there which they keep adding every time. Okay, now it's like Pinterest, the Best Buy. See, they've integrated the 2 new keyword data. They keep adding each and every time. It was 21, now it is 23. This is what the most important thing is. The reason is, they say in certain types of ClickBank product sales, you get more sales from Bing rather than Google. Reason is, people, when they do research and stuff, they just think Google is the only place. No, don't think that. Okay, there are a lot more other than Google as well. So this is where you will get more advantage of using such, even Yahoo. It's so many other. You can see this Google, Bing, AOL, Yahoo, Ask, DuckDuckGo. You wouldn't even thought about DuckDuckGo. I'm telling you guys. Yandex. This is like huge search engines, e-commerce, video sources, and more. This is what people really don't realize, that how many places people are there searching around the world, and how you can easily target people in the Bing, people who are looking at DuckDuckGo. To be frank, guys, when I started, I didn't even know DuckDuckGo. It was like only through my mentor I came to know about that. Go through it, you will learn a lot, guys. Okay, why I'm going to leave a demo of this Keyword Atlas alone. Reason is, you want to learn it before whether it is going to be good for you or not. Don't think of going for it without deciding whether it is good for it. So go through the demo. I'm just going to leave the demo just right after this video. I'm going to attach the video to it so you'll get to know. The reason why I told you wait till end of the video is, this is the demo which I'm going to attach, or you can watch it here as well. What I'm going to do is, this is what the price normally when I started as well. See this 47 and 67. This is what I took. Like, see this is 67. You get the commercial out. That means you can use it in many devices. Like, this one. This is the price. But since I'm an affiliate, through my mentor, like, I do get notified whenever there is a big discount. So here we go. This is what I want to tell you. This is a one-time fee, but I'm going to give you a very good special discount which I was notified. That's the reason to do the video mainly. See this 45% discount. It's a private discount. Here we go. You're going to get all that one with price of. This is the main reason I want to do this. Reason is, I want to pass away. See, this is the price, like 67. Now it is 37. This they don't do all the time, guys. Okay, remember this, they don't do all the time. This is a special offer, $37, and I've got it through as a private offer through my mentor. This is why I'm passing on to you guys. So if you're really looking for a very good keyword tool to kickstart your affiliate journey or any journey online, like trying to sell some product, this could be the tool to start your journey. Okay, so this is one-time fee, $37. You can't imagine, you can't even miss out on this, such a special offer, guys. That's the reason I wanted to do this video and get to know, like, you know, inform you guys so that you don't want to miss out this. Okay, and the demo, even before deciding this, watch the demo right after this video. I'm going to attach that so you can decide if this is good or not. Okay, it's up to you totally. I told you the best, I told you even the free option, and this is the option where you can have a paid one but a one-time fee. Okay, a one-time fee, and I'm sure you will get lots of keywords which you wouldn't even thought of it. This is the tool I used to. You will see, guys. I don't want to, you know, exaggerate on those things. I'm going to leave that demo video for you to see it, and then you can decide whether this is good or not, and you can try it out. And they do give you 30-day warrant, you know, the guarantee thing. See, this money back guarantee. Even if in case if you don't like it, you can always cancel it and you can leave it, you know, go back to the free version. I'm sure you will not leave it because it's a one-time fee and it is going to be really useful, guys. No doubt about it. It was recommended by my mentor and it is really a good one. Whether it is YouTube, whether it's Google, or if WordPress, whatever you're doing, trying to do research or trying to do article, this could be a place where you can start your journey, you know, with these keyword atlas tools. That's it, guys. That's nothing much mainly, but I told you the best as well as but it's a recurring fee. That's the reason Ahref takes. People's thought is, you know, when you had to pay $97, $99 every month, that's what, it's a big struggle for the newbies. That's why I was suggested with this one, which is so good compared to the other one. You know, it's not like it can't really be compared to that one because Ahref does a lot more than keyword research, but this is only for keyword research. That's why. Okay. Anyway, that's the reason it's one-time fee. You can get it. Okay. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's all about keyword research tools. I want to give you a heads up. I'm sure this is the most important thing. Don't even think of skipping this stage of keyword research. This makes a big difference between you and the other marketer, guys. That's it. Anyway, if this is your first time watching, make sure subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I do such videos. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.